Creating content that resonates with your audience can take time and effort to create. As small business owners, our time is extremely precious, but I've noticed with it a trend with us that has resulted in a lot of wasted time trying to figure out what sort of content we should be creating to share with our audiences. There are so many different content formats, so how do you figure out which is best for your brand? Today, we're going to break down the content formats and hopefully guide you to the right fit for your organization. All right, hey there, I am your host, Philippa Channer. I am a content marketing strategist helping entrepreneurs and small business owners to create, implement, and measure their marketing plans and content strategies. Now, I started the Marketing 101 for Small Business Owners channel to help business owners just like yourself take control of your marketing and get more effective results. Now, in today's session, we're going to be breaking down the many different content formats and determining which is best for your brand and your audience. See, content marketing is an ever-evolving field. To stay ahead of the competition, it is essential to know about the different types of content formats that are available to us. There are many different types of content formats available, including blogs, newsletters, social media posts, articles, emails, and more. All of these options involve some level of writing content. Even if you're doing a video for your audience, you'll likely start by writing the video outline or script. The good news is that there are AI writing assistant tools that can produce text in these formats with little to no human input. It can be time consuming to learn how to write all of these formats on your own. So having a tool like this to help you get started is great. But today I'm going to highlight 5 key content types on how you can use them for your small business to make content. And afterwards, I'll run down some of the other options you want to consider to help your business grow and become even more comfortable creating content on a regular and consistent basis. So the first content creation style I want to share is blogging. A blog is a feature you can add to your website that displays articles and commentaries on a specific topic or theme. The blog owner can write entries, post videos, pictures, and audio clips to share with their audience. You're not even limited to the amount of text you can share like you could be on social media accounts. And so you have control of your content. You own it, not the social media accounts. So it's always good to have your blog. The next content format I want to focus on are podcasts. These are audio or video files that you can download or stream from the internet onto your computer or mobile device. They usually consist of recordings of speeches, interviews, musical performances, news broadcasts, any of those, which are then published online for listeners to enjoy at their convenience. I absolutely love podcasts. No plug. And then video. Video content is effective because it allows you to connect with your target audience in a visual, engaging way that isn't possible through many other types of content. Here are just some examples of the type of video content you can create. You can do short explainer videos that are about 60 seconds or less to be really quick and educate a prospect on a different topic. You can do how-to videos that help customers understand how to solve a very specific problem. There's also demo videos that can help customers quickly see the capabilities of your product or services. Interviews I love because they enable your customers to see the human side of your business, and customer interviews get them to see what they could achieve and how other customers have felt about your product. Love those. And then there's long form videos that can tell a story in a way that connects emotionally with an audience. And the last one is quick social media clips that attract attention and drive engagement. The next content creation type we can do is social media. With billions of active users every month, social media may be a key tool in your content marketing arsenal. The main benefit of social media is the direct engagement with your audience. It's a real-time feedback loop to help you understand what your audience cares about and to have direct conversations with them and dig deeper. For certain brands, social media can also be used to guide your audience to sales, promotions, and events. In addition, social marketing gets you a direct path to distribute your content to your audience and to express your brand personality in the process. People get to know you. And then the last one I want to go over is webinars. Webinars are content marketing tools that can help you educate your prospects and customers to help them better understand a variety of subjects, such as how to best use your product expert insights on a specific topic, how to overcome a particular problem. See, most webinars tend to be on the longer side, like more than 30 minutes, since they contain a strong educational element. And similar to podcasts, you can use your webinar to interview actual prospects, helping your webinar to perform double duty. Again, you will be able to generate unique content while building a relationship with a new lead. And another key benefit of webinars is that they allow live interaction between the presenter and the viewers. Viewers can ask questions and the presenter can respond to them in real time, which helps create a more personal connection than any other format that you have. I would say I put webinars and going live on different platforms in the same category. Now, the 5 formats I've included are the most popular and common formats you will see from brands. However, they aren't the only things you can do. You may also want to consider, or you may see things like this. You can generate templates for your customers about your product or service. You can develop case studies to give more information, infographics, fun way to tell what you're doing, customer testimonies, reviews, white papers and ebooks, interactive content, user-generated content, awesome, and then GIFs and memes. Selecting the content format for your business is a key decision when it comes to marketing your business. There are many formats to choose from, and each has its own benefits and drawbacks. The key is to figure out which format is best for you and your brand. If you aren't sure about the answer, I invite you to schedule your free marketing consultation session with me today. Together, we can work through your business goals, the resources that you have access to, and what works best for your audience to figure out what content format will work for you. Until next time, be sure to subscribe to our channel wherever you're listening, and please share with a business owner that you know about our channel. It may help them really understand something new and exciting and that they can apply to their business right away. Until then, have a great week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.